The Grand Canyon Village Greenbelt, right?
Yep.
And off we go. It's 20 after 8 in the morning. You could see there is nobody around. Let's see, do we go left or right here? Oh, okay, that's what you're supposed to do. Right here is the Greenbelt Continue. Greenbelt actually goes this way. Marketplace Visitor Center. All right, here we go. The poles with the green tops. Ready? It's only like 40 degrees out here. So even though it's nice sunny morning, it's not that hot. Do we want visits visitor center?
Yeah, I think this is where we caught the bus over here last night.
Yes, right here. Oh, it's this way. This way. This way. Right here. I was thinking we go that way. Yeah, look for the pole with the green stripe. But like I said, I would have marked it a lot better than this. Oh, there he is.
Oh, it's Bambi. It could be Bambi or
We're
could be
well
Bambi
over
mother.
100 feet away. Yeah, you didn't see him walk across the road?
No, I wasn't paying attention.
Oh, this is probably the visitor center, Grand Canyon Visitor Center. Yes, we want to
Yep,
make
yep,
it
yep.
to there. Yeah. Right. What is it?
But it said Yaki Point.
I'm not
Signs
too
up
sure.
there.
No, let's go. Somebody yells at us. But I don't see anything saying prohibited. Whoa ho. No bikes that way. The bikes go that way.
Back
Got
that
it.
way. Okay. Arthur Point, Yaki Point.
Whoa.
Okay, so we want to.
I'm going to go there and turn around so I can.
Oh, so you point. Okay.
Filming.
Oh. Or you could have it parked right there.
Up there, right have to turn. Whoa! Whoa! Come around here, dear. Whoa!
Oh my god.
Wait till you turn. Come up in here.
Oh my god. Oh, yeah, can't even-
There's a flat right here. And my wife thought I was crazy that I wanted to see sunrise in the canyon.
Yeah, I know, right?
And somewhere way down there,
It's a canyon.
no, is a river.
Colorado River. Oh, there's a point way over there. There's a it's like a nipple.
Oh yeah, I saw that.
Oh, look at a nice dog coming. It's not cold enough.
Gorgeous
Nice dog,
animal.
Brittany.